Well, hey guys, welcome back to Try This DIY. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can install a Zagg screen cover. If this video is helpful at all for you, please consider liking and subscribing to the channel. That would greatly help me out. But let's go ahead and dive in. So what you're going to do is grab all of your three items. You can move this over here for right now. You have a little microfiber cloth cleaner. You also have a dust remover and a little moist towelette wipe right here that will clean the screen off. So you're going to want to try to clean off the screen as best you can. I find it's best if you can turn this off. You want to let this dry as well after you've wiped it with that. But then you can again wipe with the dust remover. Make sure everything is wiped off. One of the things it does say on the instructions is anything that stays on this is going to stay on this as soon as the cover is on. So you want to make sure everything that you can get is off. So wipe that off, and you're also going to open this up and try to get off as much dust or anything like that that you can. So you can get as much of that stuff off, and again, you can kind of look on yours and make sure everything looks as good as possible. There's my light, you can see. But this is my wife's camera and phone, so hopefully it doesn't have too many scratches on it, and we can go ahead and put everything on there. So the next thing you're going to do is remove this little tab on your actual screen protector. It says you can remove this. It says peel this layer first, so you can go ahead and peel that off and peel it all the way back. So after you've peeled it off, you're just going to take it and try your best to line it up the best you can. Again, notice this little part right here goes up top so that you can have the little things on the little microphone and everything right there so you can hear. So you're going to try to line that up the best you can. Again, I'm going to try to see this a little bit better. Looks pretty good. Lining up the best you can. Mine's a little off, but it's okay. It's best I can get in there. So I did remove it just a little bit and line it up. There is a little tab right there. You can line that up right with the little microphone thing right there. And then next you're just going to press this all over. Press this all in. Make sure everything is in there good. So you're going to press down right here in the middle. Make sure everything is tight with the protector. Then you're going to pull this little tab off. Comes right off. Nice. Everything is looking good. And then the last thing you're going to do is just work out the bubbles. It doesn't look too bad on mine right here. You can kind of see a few little bubbles in there, but you're going to take the cloth that you used earlier. You just kind of work these bubbles. You can work them to the side to work them out. That actually looks really good. One little bubble right there, but it's pretty much gone. So you can kind of just work those in. If yours has more bubbles, you can try to work those bubbles out. There's a couple little ones in here, and again, you can kind of work them. I've had these Zaggs before, these screen covers. You can just kind of work them to the edge, and that'll help kind of get them out. You can work those bubbles out to the edge, and that'll help as well. Try to get all of these bubbles out, and you can even clean it off as well. But that is looking pretty good. Another tip that I just saw is you can actually press and hold where those bubbles might be. Hold that for 5 to 10 seconds, and it actually will go away as well. And then again, what I like to do is kind of hold it and then press it towards the side, trying to get those bubbles away. Right there it is. That worked out pretty well. Made that bubble I had right there. You can kind of see it's gone. That is, wow, it worked out well. So again, if you have any bubbles, kind of move them to the side, but you can press and hold it for 5 to 10 seconds, and then it should help them go away. Well, that should do it. If this video was helpful, you can let me know that. You can leave a like and subscribe down below. If you have any questions, put them in the comment section down below. And you can also check out one of these other videos that have popped up here in your end screen. But I hope you have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.